Hey Royal Family. So I went to a small chocolate factory known as the Chocolate Experience, Mayak, in Roatan, Honduras. It's very small and quaint. There's at least two of them, but this one was the largest or the larger one of the two. It's ran by two brothers who are originally from Argentina, and they have locals that work with them. They work and make a lot of the products that you see, as well as they get some of the products from the locals. All chocolate products are made on site, including some very really good treats that the owner told me that he made with the banana and the pineapple, and they sell those there. There's also a few packets, kind of like souvenir packets that are really nice if you want to give them out as gifts that they have, and it's very quaint. They also have stations that if you go at a certain time that they walk you through the process of the chocolate making process from the beginning to the end, from it coming from the cocoa plant, from it being dried, grounded, and then turn it into the chocolate that we eat as candy bars in the store. So it was pretty cool. There's no cost to go there because it's a store and a learning experience at the same time. And then you have like these old tools that they show, the tools that the Mayans used to use, which were the original people on this island. And you can see how the tools have evolved over the time from when they used to make chocolate till now. So there's a lot of good information to grasp. It's child friendly as well, and it's one of those cool little spots. Like I said, it's not very large. It's a really small store, but it's very quaint, and the owners are very friendly. So if you ever get a chance to go to Roatan, other than the beautiful beaches and the party and the great food, this is one of the spots that you could stop for educational purposes, as well as to just show your kids how the chocolate is made that they love so much out of the stores. So this is one of those beautiful places that you need to check out. Thank you so much for watching.